Transform your bedroom with the perfect false ceiling design. Welcome to our guide on choosing the perfect false ceiling design for your bedroom, a space where elegance meets functionality, enhancing the overall ambience and aesthetic appeal of your personal sanctuary. False ceilings are more than just a decor element. They can hide wiring, provide insulation, and improve acoustics. When selecting a design, remember it should complement the bedroom's overall theme. Consider the room's size when choosing a false ceiling. In smaller bedrooms, opt for simpler designs to avoid overwhelming the space. Larger rooms can accommodate more intricate patterns and layered designs. Lighting is crucial in false ceiling designs. Incorporate ambient, task, or accent lighting to enhance the mood and functionality. Recessed lights, LED strips, and chandeliers can add warmth and style. Material choice is vital for durability and aesthetics. Gypsum is popular for its versatility and smooth finish. PVC offers a moisture-resistant option, while wood brings warmth and a touch of luxury. Color plays a significant role in ceiling design. Light hues can make a room feel airy and spacious, while darker colors add drama and coziness. Coordinate with wall colors for a harmonious look. Textured patterns can add depth and interest to your ceiling. Consider geometric shapes or floral motifs to create a focal point. Ensure textures align with the overall bedroom decor for a cohesive feel. Integrate ceiling design with wall elements for continuity. Extend ceiling patterns onto walls or use complementary colors and materials. This seamless approach can unify the design, creating a balanced space. Consider acoustics when designing your false ceiling. Sound-absorbing materials can reduce noise, creating a peaceful bedroom environment. This is especially useful in urban areas or homes with multiple floors. Don't forget about height. Low ceilings benefit from minimalistic designs to avoid a cramped feel, while high ceilings can handle more elaborate styles, adding volume and grandeur to the bedroom. Eco-friendly materials are increasingly available for false ceilings. Consider sustainable options like bamboo or recycled metals, which are not only stylish but also beneficial for the environment. Budget is always a consideration. While some materials and designs can be costly, there are affordable options that don't compromise on style or quality. Plan your budget early to avoid unnecessary expenses. Consult with professionals to ensure your design is feasible and safe. They can provide insights into installation techniques, structural integrity, and compliance with local building regulations. Ultimately, your bedroom ceiling design should reflect your personality and lifestyle. Whether you prefer minimalist, traditional, or modern styles, the right choice will enhance your bedroom's beauty and comfort.